Let's make Lao sausages. Sai Gok, Sai Oua. Wow, look at that. If you've never had Lao sausage, the flavors are salty, umami, and savory. And if it's made with sticky rice, you're gonna taste a little bit of sourness. The Thai version is a little bit smaller. It's called Sai Krok Isaan. Let's get started. First, you're gonna grind your meat. Please refer to video 1 that I posted a couple days ago. If you don't have a meat grinder, ask your butcher if they can do it for you. Or you can do the traditional way, which is called sup. Chop the heck out of it until you get ground meat. Next, clean your sausage casing, soak it in water, open the tip, and run it through warm water. Next, you're gonna finely mince all your herbs, dill, lemongrass, shallot, kaffir lime leaves, garlic, and scallions. Next, in a mixing bowl, add in your ground meats and season with chicken bouillon, fish sauce, and sugar. Next goes in your herbs, mix well. We're gonna do a taste test, roll it into a little ball, cook in an air fryer, microwave, or fry it. Taste it, see if you like it. We're looking for salty, umami, sweet. If it's good, then go ahead and add in your kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass, and your desired amount of chili. Next, let's make our sausage. Open the tip of the casing, roll the casing back. Next, you're gonna do a little bit of multitasking. Push through your mixture while shaping your sausage as you go. Press through and shape, press through and shape. Here we got our first sausage link. Wow, look at that. It's my huge Lao sausage. Want some? Just kidding. Tie the knot on each end to secure your sausage link. Vacuum seal. Serve with fluffy jasmine rice or sticky rice. Wow, look at that. Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna make Lao sausages. So there's gonna be 2 parts to this. First video, we're gonna be doing grounded meat first. What type of meat to use. And after that, the other video will make the Lao sausages. In Lao, we pronounce it Sai Gok, Sai Oua. Thai one has a similar one. They are smaller. Tsp of Isaan. You need ground pork and you're gonna need some of the pork fat. You don't want the sausage to be too dry. Let's get started. If you don't have a grinder, no worries. You can see if your butcher will do it for you. If not, the traditional way is called sup. Staying on a cutting board and literally chop the hell out of it until you get ground meat. Excuse my language. You're gonna need some pork belly, pork shoulders, pork snout, and some ground pork. Or you can use a processor to cut them to smaller pieces so that your processor can handle it. Wow, look at that. Next, cook your pork snout. Drain it and let it rest. Once it cools down, run it through the meat grinder. And we're done with the first part of the recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys at the next video.